Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to activate nuts. What you'll need: raw nuts or seeds of your choice, like almonds, cashews, walnuts, sunflower seeds, filtered water, sea salt, bowl strainer and clean towel or dehydrator or oven. Firstly, in a bowl, dissolve 1 tsp of salt is enough water to cover the nuts or seeds. Add the nuts and let them soak overnight for 7 to 10 hours. This process reduces enzyme inhibitors and makes the nuts more digestible. Strain and rinse the nuts under running water and pat them dry with a clean towel. At this point, they might look puffy and may even begin sprouting. Spread them out on a dehydrator tray or a baking sheet. Dehydrator method: just dry at 40 to 50 Celsius to 12 or 24 hours for best results, and set the oven to its lowest temperature. If you're doing it on oven, like 65 Celsius, and bake them for 12 to 4 hours too, stirring occasionally. Finally, check when they are completely dry and crunchy. Once dry, store your activated nuts and seeds in an airtight container to keep them fresh, and enjoy them as a snack in granola or blended into a nut butter. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.